You know what? I don't want to feel normal. I don't want to be normal. I'm John Laspina, your carnivore teacher, and we're going to talk about what normal is. Let's be clear. I don't want to feel normal because normal today means being tired, bloated, inflamed, overweight, and on medicine. Normal isn't healthy anymore. Normal is eating seed oils, processed carbs, and sugar all day long. Normal is craving food every 2 hours. Normal is brain fog, joint pain, poor sleep, and metabolic disease. Normal is needing pills just to survive. If that's normal, count me out. I want to feel well, and that's not normal. I eat beef and lamb, fish and eggs. I cook in tallow, butter, and sometimes bacon grease. No sugar, no grains, no seed oils, no junk. Just the proper human diet. And the result is I don't feel normal. I feel fantastic, strong, lean, clear-headed, pain-free, energized from the moment I wake up. So if you're eating the world's standard diet, you'll get the world's standard results. Sick, fat, and tired. But if you fuel your body with what it was designed to eat, meat, fish, and eggs, and real fats, you won't be normal, you'll be unstoppable. If you like this content, click the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this with a friend or a family member, and leave me comments. Talk to me. I love comments. I love to talk with my subscribers and hear their thoughts and opinions, and I like to communicate back to you. Have a great day.